Whew, good morning. It's Wednesday. Where's this week going? Slow down. I need more time. Good morning. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing fine. Good morning, Vic. I hope you are well. Yeah, so it's Wednesday already. Whew. It's the 20th of March. Where is 2024 going? Because I feel like it's flying by without me. I had an appointment this morning that I had to do, so I guess I'm drinking water because I ran out of coffee, and I'll have to wait till after this to go make me another cup. Vic, OMG. So if you have not seen it yet, Sarah and I had an amazing interview. Well, I don't know that it was, I can't even call it an interview, but we had an amazing recording with Denise yesterday, Denise Thomas. And if you've not seen it, you have to go watch it because you have grandkids. And if you have children that haven't gone to college yet, good morning, Sharon. If you have grandchildren, they can be brand new babies. It doesn't matter. This information you need to have in your arsenal, in your tool bucket. You need to know this stuff. You really need to know this stuff. You need to share this video with all the people that you know. Have them watch the video so that they can go into the links and go find this lady. And her story is incredible. I mean, she had me almost in tears. And then it's like Sarah and I both, there wasn't much in the way of interview because she just spoke from the heart and told us all the stuff. She's very good at what she does. And so we didn't actually have to really ask any questions. We were just there and so enthralled in what she was saying. It was like watching a movie and waiting for, to get to the end. It was like, the whole thing was like, really? I mean, I was on this total emotional roller coaster. So it was so good that the one that we had planned, everything was done. It was all ready. It was set to go live within like an hour or so of us finishing yesterday's recording. And we were like, no, this needs to go up next. So it did. We postponed the driving gig one to next week. It will go live next week. And we put up Miss Denise, that recording for yesterday. And I am pretty sure that Sarah told me that the newest episode and Miss Denise's episode, we're all caught up and all of the episodes are up on Spotify now. So everything up through yesterday is now on Spotify. So if you would rather listen to them on Spotify, you are welcome to do that, versus watching half of it on Sarah's channel and the other half of it here. You can listen to the whole thing in one fell swoop over on Spotify without interruption. So, speaking of Spotify, we're trying to get to 100 subscribers over there. So if you would please kindly run over to Spotify and subscribe to our channel over there, we would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Yeah, it's a whole new thing. So once tax season gets done, I will be dabbling in putting some content over on Spotify for the accounting side of things. I did just reopen my my tax schedule and my consultation schedule, but it doesn't start. The first available date is the 22nd of April. So after tax season. So we've got, you can go ahead and make your appointment, but the first appointments will be available on the 22nd of April. You will be surprised to see that I increased my schedule. So there are appointment times available between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. So yeah, there's a lot going on. So Vic says, so put in an extension on taxes. If you need me to do your taxes, put in an extension. If you, and I have the link. I dropped the link in the chat. So if you need me to do your taxes, then put in the extension. It's super easy. Just fill in your information and throw it in the mail. If you are wanting a consultation before you file your taxes, then again, put in the extension, just drop it in the mail. Everything will be fine. It's an automatic extension. Robin says, are you still going on a long vacation after taxes? Vic says, B-Day vacation. I am absolutely still taking my birthday vacation. That will be, so my birthday is April 10th. So that's on a Wednesday this year. And I am going away from Thursday through Sunday. So the 11th through the 14th. But I have that first week, or like what, first 10 days, really, first 10 days of April, to make sure that everything that that I've had for tax season is complete, including my own, which are not done yet. And my husband is chomping at the bit because I couldn't get mine done before I started everybody else's, because I was still waiting on things. So now mine are on the back burner, and my husband is threatening to take them somewhere else. Do we have any questions this morning? I mean, I'm just talking because nobody's dropped a question in the chat. But again, if you've got grandkids, if you've got children, if you've got nieces and nephews, if you've got friends with kids, then you absolutely need to watch yesterday's Cha-Ching Chats podcast, or go grab it on Spotify and listen, because they need this information. This woman was able, between her two children that she homeschooled, she was able to get 100% of their college education paid for through scholarships. The amount of money in scholarships totaled $199,000 between the two of them. So together, the daughter, the oldest one, had $4,000 left over when she completed her degree. And the son had $10,000 left over when he completed his degree. The woman knows what she's talking about. There's even a course that she has available for the student, to help them with the applications, to help them with writing the essays and all that stuff. So it's like amazing information. And I'm like, she was saying that it's never too late to try and get scholarships, but it's also never too early. So if your child has started kindergarten, you can get them started. She's even got parents that are reaching out to her that are pregnant, because they want to make sure that they have all of their ducks in a row, that they're doing all of the things before their child's even born. So yeah, it's like I'm giving you like so much information, but really, I'm not giving you all of the information. You need to go listen to this thing. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. I'm gonna make both of my kids, my daughters, I'm going to require them to watch it. Require them to at least listen to it, right? I have my oldest granddaughter will be 17 this year. She's got to I'm going to pay for her to go through the thing. I don't even know how much it costs, but I'm going to reach out to her and I'm going to talk to her about the student course that's available, and I'll pay for her to go through it because she's the next one to go into college. The first one of my grandkids to go to college. So I was just absolutely amazed. Absolutely amazed. So if you're looking for the driving gig one, that will be next week. Oh, speaking of driving gigs, guess what I did yesterday? Sarah was laughing at me. I ordered my first ever DoorDash. So my eating was a little bit off yesterday, but I ordered Mexican from the local restaurant, and I ordered fajitas, and I ordered some extra the melty cheese, and but I did eat a little bit of tomatoes and peppers and onions and stuff like that. So I shouldn't have eaten that, but I did not eat any tortillas and I didn't eat any chips, even though they looked really good. But yeah, ordered my first ever DoorDash. Queso, yes, queso. And it was really easy. And I got $10 off. Plus, Amazon, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Amazon, you get a free subscription to DoorPass from DoorDash if you have Amazon Prime, while it's still available, and it's currently still available. So I got another $4, like $3 and change off for doing the trial on DoorPass. And then they had a 40% off coupon that I got to add for an order that was over $15. So an order that came up to be $53 and change, including tip, was right at $40 when I got done with it. Yeah, free DoorDash with Amazon Prime. Now, the DoorPass thing, so that you don't have to pay the $10 a month, right? And if you already have Dash Pass, that's what it is. If you already have Dash Pass, you can just add your Prime account to it somehow. I haven't figured that part out yet. You can just add your Prime account to it, and they'll quit charging you. So long as you have Amazon Prime, you can use the same account you've been using for DoorDash, and not have to pay the $10 a month. So yeah, I will probably be using DoorDash in the future and less Domino's. Because when I don't feel like cooking, I'm like, Domino's delivers. Domino's is still cheaper, but our local Mexican restaurant is pretty good. All right. Come on. Do we have any questions? If not, I'm going to go make coffee. Oh, so members, we have a call today at noon Eastern, 11 for Vic. Facebook group people, we have a call today. We go live at 1 p.m. Eastern. 12 for Vic. Robin, I don't remember what time zone you're in. Robin, guess what? I have a new moderator for the oh, right. Yeah, you're 3 hours behind me. So I have a new moderator that I added to our financially fabulous 50 plus for the ladies. And she was supposed to, I think I was supposed to remind her, and I don't think I did. So she's going to start a book club within Financially Fabulous 50 plus ladies group. And I'm pretty sure she's going to start with one of the Jen Sincero books. I'm not sure which one. But did you all know that she's got 2 more books that are in this series? So this is the first one. This is the second one. I've read both of these a couple of times. I've also listened to them a couple of times. Jen is one of my favorite authors in that genre. Vic, yes, you're only 46, and I was saying that people that are pushing 50, like 48, but if you want to join and find out what you're in for, I'll allow you to come in. Because you're like one of my besties. So yeah. So anyway, we're gonna have a book club over there in the Financially Fabulous 50 plus group. Super excited about that, and that I don't have to run it. So yeah, everything's coming along. Growing. I'm super excited to see where we get to this year. Again, if you have any questions, drop them in the chat. We have a lot less people this morning than we have been. You know what? I don't know. If she wants to do it on Zoom, I will let her use my Zoom room, whether or not I can attend. And we'll just stream it into Facebook. So it'll just be inside of the group, I think. Maybe we have our own YouTube channel. So we'll see. We'll see, because she's one of the ones that does not want to get on camera. And I'm trying really, really hard to get her going on camera with, and it's like, look, you don't have to have your face on camera. You don't. Robin says maybe less people because of the Zoom calls today. Maybe, I don't know. I noticed that yesterday's call had 28 views. I was like, what? I think we've been having like between 7 and 11 people in the morning chat. And obviously there's been a lot of people that are just, they're quiet. Like right now, only Vic and Robin are talking to me in the chat, but there's 3 people watching. And now I'm not included in that number because I'm going live straight through YouTube. So I'm not being included in that number. Yep, Vic, it has increased. It increased like immediately after going live directly through YouTube instead of from Zoom. It made all of the difference. Why, I don't know. But having it go through Restream just wasn't the way to go. So the recordings are doing well, and then going live directly is doing well. Going live through a server is not. Sharon says, I'm the silent one. LOL, you already answered my questions. Okay. Well, I appreciate you being here, even if you don't have any new questions. Oh, we got 4 people now. Who's watching? Who's watching that hasn't posted in the chat yet? Hop on in. Is it Bobby Loves to Thrift out in Ohio? One of my regulars? So yeah, super excited about all the stuff that's going on. One Man's Trash. Hello, good morning. How are you? Robin said, or Vic said, hit the thumbs up. Absolutely. We got 5 people watching now. So 3 people, 4. Yay. One more. Robin says, did you know Text Group now has a live selling call? It was really good. You could do your jewelry while in your RV. Freya, good morning. How are you? So I saw the notification. Well, so I'm in a Facebook Messenger jewelry group that spans both Chris's group and Text Group. It started back when they were still together. So yeah, I did know that there was a call going on yesterday evening with live selling, but I did not go check it out. So good to hear. And yeah, I can do the jewelry while in my RV anyway. So I can either list it separately. List it like eBay, like I usually do, or one of the other platforms. I could go live on Whatnot. I could go live on Poshmark. I could go live on YouTube. There's all kinds of ways to do it. So I will probably do just continue to do eBay. To me, it's the easiest platform to do. I mean, they have more things that you have to like a few more little hoops to jump through, but I really like the platform. I like the way that you list. I like that I can set up templates and list off of my templates. So when I go to just doing jewelry, mainly it's going to be earrings. So I will have like a template for post earrings. I will have a template for dangle earrings. I will have a template for chandelier, for fish hook, for, all the different things. So all the different types of ways that you can put it in your ear. Then the difference will be colors, materials, and other aspects. But prices will be pretty consistent. Shipping will be the same. I already have a separate policy for shipping that's just for jewelry. So if you buy jewelry from me, then each additional item is an extra 50 cents. So if you put them all in your cart and buy them at one time, you automatically get reduced shipping on the other items. Oh, do you guys want to see? Here, all right, I'm gonna, ooh, looky, my new monitors. Comfy? Oh, I don't know. I'm still trying to get it hooked up, set up, but I have my stand. I opened the laptop up. I put them all up there. I plugged everything in, and then something I'm not doing. I'm not doing something right. So I'm hoping to get that figured out pretty quickly, so that as soon as I get the first nice day outside, I can work on my deck. But yeah, super excited. I mean, at least it looks like it's going to be nice, and I'll be able to have have things going on both sides. And the riser part of it will make it easier for me to do calls from the deck too. So, or from the laptop, regardless of where I'm at, from the laptop, because it raised it up. I had to do this makeshift thing last Thursday when I did my tech call from the deck, because it was too low, and it was like I was looking down at the camera. I was like, no, this isn't going to work. So I grabbed something out of my kitchen to lift it up. And that made it at least work for that call. So, but I really struggle. I really struggle with the Mac, because it's like you, instead of scrolling down to make so now if I scroll down the screen, the thing scrolls down and the paper goes up, right? On the Mac, if I scroll down, the sidebar thing scrolls up. It's opposite. It's weird. It's like, what? Make this stop. Come on, thing. Clear up. There we go. All righty. Well, we are almost at 30 minutes. We've got a couple extra people watching. Hit the thumbs up, please. Thank you. And I'm going to go get another cup of coffee and get some work done between now and the members only call at noon. So I will see you in the Zoom room in 3 hours. Okay. And then Facebook members, I will see you. You can pop into the Zoom room in 4 hours for the Facebook group call. And I will also stream that into the Facebook group. Okay. So 3 hours, paid members, hop in to my Zoom room. I will send you a message in Messenger, and in 4 hours, everybody come in and we will get all the questions answered. All right. All right. See you then. Have a great day. Thanks for the thumbs up. I appreciate you.